Welcome to Cook with Asime. Today I'll be teaching you how to bake moist chocolate cake. If you're interested, please continue watching. Thank you. In an empty pot, I will add butter alongside sugar. Measurements will be in the description box. And I'm going to add cocoa powder. This is the star of the show. Adding baking soda. Then I'll add water. So I'm going to place this on low heat. Mix for about 5 minutes and ensure that there are no lumps in it. So this mixture, you ensure there are no lumps in it. And there's a consistency you want. This is the consistency you want. No lumps present in the mixture. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So we have our flour. I'll be adding baking powder to it. And then I'm going to beat the eggs. Then in the flour, I'll add the eggs mixed together. Then I'm going to add the cocoa powder mixture. Mix everything together, or should you say mix everything together? So you mix well, you ensure there are no lumps. And there you have it, your chocolate cake batter. This is the consistency you want it to give you. So I'm going to grease the pan. I greased the pan and floured it. And please don't forget to preheat the oven for about 5 minutes. Then after preheating the oven, you bake for 30 minutes on low heat. And this is the outcome, guys, for the cake. So for step 2, how to make ganache with cocoa powder. This is a chocolate sauce which can be used as frosting and also serve as a filling for the chocolate cake. So in a bowl, I will add cocoa powder, to add sugar. Then I'm adding butter. Measurements will be in the description box for this ganache. Add cornstarch, which will serve as a thickener. Then we'll add water into the pot. Add all the things in the pot. Mix it on low heat. Then you mix well so that all the lumps will disappear. So this is the chocolate ganache. It came out really thick. I didn't add a lot of water, so that's why it's this thick. So this is me cutting the cake so that I'll be able to apply the chocolate ganache or sauce to the cake. This cake came out delicious and moist. Look at how soft the cake is. So I'm applying the chocolate ganache to the cake as this adds a really nice flavor to the cake. And this is best served. You can eat it with ice cream. You can eat the cake alone. And this is the cake. It came out super moist and delicious.